Okay, hello and welcome. And now I have engine defect code. We can see there is this engine file record. And now when I do this my check, I can see that with my OPD scanner that I have there now code P0301, and it means the cylinder 1 misfire detected, and what that means and how I can repair that, and also what this means if I have another cylinder error like 302 and 303 and 304 or 305 or 306 if I have 6-cylinder engines. And also in 8-cylinder engines this last number is 8. And what that means and how I can repair that issue, let's go to do and look at how we fix that issue. Okay, and now I have really opened my engine, and what means if I got and I have misfire defect code in my engine. And what is this issue? There is 4 possible issues. First one is that this is the easiest one, that our car's spark plug, this is damaged. This is the first one, we should replace that. And then, like in this my current engine, there is issues with ignition coils, and this part belongs in here. And next I have to replace this ignition coil, and this part really belongs in here, in that way. And firstly spark plug, after that this ignition coil. And what if then, if I have still misfire? Next area is that I have to check my engine cables, because sometimes they are loosened and sometimes they can be cut, even these cables, and this is third point. And we go to next look those, and after that the most difficult part is that if we have do and made those 3 repairs, is that we have some big defect in our cylinder area. Maybe there is some valves are damaged, valves are not working, or then piston is damaged, and this is the most horrible case. But this is the final part, and let's look at what it really means. Okay, and if we have really misfire, that we have made those all 3 steps, we have to take cylinder head away and check pistons, everything is in here okay, and final part is to then check cylinder head. So easy. Okay, and now we are really checking that why this my engine is making misfire. And now first step is to look in here inner area, and I found in my case that one of these my electric cables in here, it is loosened. Can you believe? Sometimes these parts, they are loosened, that they are like in my case, that they are not in position. And this is the third point, because now we don't have connection to this ignition coil. Really interesting, and I have to fix that case immediately.